How to log into Facebook using Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll cover the topic that says how to log in to Facebook using your Instagram account. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the login screen of the Facebook, you can just tap login with Instagram, or you can continue with Instagram. And now here, once you see this, also note that this option is appearing only if your Instagram account is linked to Facebook. So here you can just tap on continue, and after that you can enter your Instagram username, email and password if prompted, and after that you can just tap login or continue, and Instagram will ask if you want to allow Facebook to access your account info. So there you can just tap authorized or continue to proceed, and once authorized you'll be logged into Facebook automatically using your Instagram credential. And here, to make a further logins easier, you can just go to the settings section, and now here you can just go to account center, and once you're inside the account center you can just tap on accounts and profiles, and there you can link your Instagram and Facebook accounts for seamless login. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.